FM so ne yekosi san dwumade no asogo so a wotie ne yɛdamu nyina asese matwen yɛn ama yakɔ abanti NPP press conference course so ɛwɔ Alisa Hotel ne yakɔfa mu nsɛm abrɛmo enti Honorable Dr. Sheikh Mustafa Abdul Hamid edi kan kasa wie na Fati Abubakar ebe church mu ɛwɔ atwi mu mamu nyina mote in studio Honorable Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh or MP for Menchia South Constituency, Minister of Education, Republic of Ghana, and no air Barbie and Commerce American Edia to Manim Dada. But before that, you better near who about tell you about near the commercial Mamma Aquaba na Yanko Emra. Honorable Aquaba Pomi there.
Nyamiado.
Constituency Boko.
Hoodie. Abonne for now, sorry, but hoodie.
Menchia South. Abonne for.
Ebia po boni a circular bi kutupa said the election ebe tui obu tintam ballot box no mun ye pasabasa
enemre mu
na so obu ye bisa wo menhia ye di obachi o ye enim o this cabo nye enim kola cross o musuro mu me but obia man ni no every parliamentary candidate man ni ndan say sa batui o so board the ballot box o ba ho ban obu say police for no ati se afagana nyina ntuma ye thinly spread etumbe on be cause surprises with polling stations bia FPP for nya high vote o ti say we were near the pink sheet duplicated pink sheet here the bishop ma wo poboni o 6,000 duplicate pink sheet they could end this for some person dey boni e was some polling stations enkoye mu here the nya ye need to di achire na ye di achire. As well because the TNO.
Me too.
6,000 duplicate pig sheets. And they show what tomorrow on person their switches.
But sir, and no is something you should report to the police.
And I make catch you be catch you. None of them are cano. Money baby for Makano.
Michelle.
No we so free for what them to see.
Obi Michelle.
Hey, baby you Obi. One can tell you they as a perform you.
No. Obi Michelle.
No. Who you producer now?
No, my host.
Mama can say
no, my host.
Mama can say let me speak. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, baby.
Myself say me present the minister can.
Mama announce.
Yeah. I know ya ma be say for ko reba na. Me say ba report to baby. Me nim the maker. Sister M Fafi, oye wa dwe so ye electoral commission official. Na kwa ko di NDC Foska. No wa switch pink sheet. Kai who say NDC for the power.
Na
emra na wo Ghana ha no. Who say electoral official so ye Canada night with you too.
Absolutely. Send the
I know the specific electoral offences governed by electoral laws of Ghana. That no they be idea cash it is the court Supreme Court you see electoral officer one side why just say ni nya ye etiamra it be catch returning officers they with deputy and the presiding officers say omujis kan kra mo mu ndi body na NDC for person wundi no because enkosi o hwe they be also at Jombetum.
I'm only thinking about how.
But we don't think. All them person don't. Esa obe ma me kasa bo. Mama say me musa na me nja wona. Dabi we say na wanye fair. Obi say me kasa. Just we say
me go say. Or do produce the morning show.
Obi me marry me ye. We chaso. Me mo de me kasa over.
Ego season is now 94.7 FM. In the Honorable Matthew Opoku Prempeh and Motene Kano. No. Mema okwai mo wawie. Mema okwai mo.
Anya enu kwa je pig sheet nkwa. Enuma pi besisi. Enuma pi besisi o. Ebi ade pig sheet na makano. Ebi di police station MPP for high vote MPP NDC for person koye basa ebi di coastal villages fishing villages on person ko sheshe balo canoes no mde share e di je to hado yembe yani o na the election bi NDC for the sheshe doma no mu shibaket no person ekodum ye sheshe
you are making specific allegations against the largest opposition party in our country.
Over the body chase e dey no for so for anka o tipso. I did not for shop for Uncle Court. Massa, we are going to crack a cow Ghana.
But it's still in court. Yet to be determined by the
but so kind of
allegedly.
Yes, forensic report now, ban.
Yes.
And look at you say you for swap of. Or look at say you on one put.
Honorable on pink sheets, Nediano.
You call court 2012. You have duplicated and quadruplicated pieces.
Yes, that's.
And then this is what to be produced here.
But the other point that I'm paying me Busan say, Nansen say a kind election and I say votes no war polling station be they are mandated by law to post results no on
2012
the wall.
2012
how do you change
2012 never 2012 that's how I'm running. It has been part of our laws for a very long time. But in most places, it's observed in this breach. Police station be police even 2016. What's that? I said they won't remember Ghana for me. Me say 2012. Returning officers take a who unko di Jamrama 7. What is the Chibako? Please say prosecute Bako. It emboldens the people to do worse.
But once it's criminal, no, the onus lies on the Attorney General to prosecute. This is a one year.
Massa.
Who do you blame then?
Massa. Court could Kakai rule in the Supreme Court the buy 5-4 the Kakai ruling. So I take commentators, lawyers, seasoned lawyers, almost by the ruling. It was 5-4 in favor of MPP. But don't page up your own side, 5-4 against MPP. I don't want to see Ghana who. Yeah, it sounds and some being see.
But
especially for a failed president like your mama. For me and you, say it is that your mama, a president of Ghana, have you agree anymore?
How?
How say? Incompetence. Corruption. Or do penny nipa. Or your vice president, the corruption told us. Or Tiabe. Or your president, the corruption told us. Or free Abel, the corruption told us. Why in Ghana, president, baby? And
but in 2016, Nankamo Kanweya.
And yet 2016, I said,
the Ghanaian people in 2016 had not experienced the NPP under Nanado. Sisia, you are in power with Nanado as president. You think that you can now boldly say the things you said in
incompetence, who free power neko? People say, oh, you sure say indecisiveness, who free power neko?
But I'm also to me.
Oh, people say questions. So can say who say that people say. So the innate things, obi or indecisive or indecisive, or do I crack the book because you're indecisive? Enko.
By more rain fees like Ghana from
also go just straight fair. See incompetence. Incompetent. The president or speaker. And then Nanado catch and say your mama is incompetent. Also the president DB. Only incompetent can be the sumo for 4 years. Only incompetent a cholera TC can live 240 we. People say only incompetent me who Obi a yama discussion fanko developing baby o fear wow shitri scandal or this can go to president your mama. Sada scandal for her.
But it was not the president who was in charge of SADA. He appointed people. And that's the burden that president. So because you would have to work through people.
And
disappointed why they were investigated?
And man can be investigated. Or investigating or you
some people
Great Luther says Supreme Court pronouncing Oye
on the Jida scandal.
Great Luther said Supreme Court got a year and a day. Muntia for no ye umuday. What's up, Adium?
Prerogative of mercy.
I don't the party NDC for. I consider radio so Beku Supreme Court ma. Judges the Supreme Court. Ghana higher experience with that.
FM.
Massa. And they have a teacher for us.
But
say
a week
Ghana for would have done the greatest disservice to themselves if they ever vote for Obama again. And only be when the assemblyman, and the presiding officer, and the district chief executive, and the MP, and the assistant minister, and the deputy minister, and the minister, and the vice president. I'm on the president. I'm already president. Injury time. I'm on fast. So, Ghana $4 billion, and on the president.
Ghana $4 billion.
Between 2012 and 2013 election, one sika ye outside the books ana. Massa. I don't know until they do become call. You call IMF, bro. From you know when you can. You say policy there.
Credibility.
President or say the policy is incredible and they lack credibility. Also was that to Obama as our president. Until we throw the pen and the pen in the signature, so I say, call IMF. Said me, the whole Ghana's constitution, the policy, which is the president. no choko I say the policies in credible. See I am for me boado. Jawaju. O papa Japade na ko toma broni at the chachafo. Na e say obi wu obesa Japade.
The question na me person.
That question do. Me kasa do no answer here. Oka policy credibility we na kabako. Financial day bailout. No pay no money. I before me bailing out financially.
Yes.
No more fat express metro policy man.
Yes.
Nye slave master. Ye fire sika e come abroad so me slaves wa.
But I asked you, sir, 4 years down the line from 2016, the Ghanaian people have seen you in power. When you need 2016,
to what point? To what point?
No, the point in
the point I'm telling you said under Jomama, you do so. Do. It will be your man. Under Jomama, cholera could nipa 250. COVID by a you free. I don't know. Can you lifeline for the free? And at your mama, now unemployed graduates association.
But people are still complaining about unemployment.
Yes.
People are complaining about corruption.
Nobody, in 4 years, you expect us to solve 100% unemployment. But let's look at the 13 steps the government has taken. What your mama did that before. You should the Abawi and Amu were to for unemployment. You should Abawi and Amu to for school. You should Abawi and Amu to for nurses. You should Abawi and Amu to for teacher for. Now you found compare 4 years back. I don't think you're too about your career department. And so the Ghana for career is your career, sir. There is no way, sir. And this is for Basa. O man be reaping shit and change. Said they duplicated, they quadruplicated Romo. That's the one conform to form a did a true transfer. There is no way Ghanaians would ever vote for John Mahama in person. Incompetence. I don't know how far. I Burkina Faso would be a choir or say Ghana for Uncle Nkosiano. Said what Jed Demudie. Can reference for the expedition 2 years assassin ISI. Never in the history of this country has the president been so abysmal. Yes, since a come come about Ghana, ye president be the time.
Can you boldly speak on corruption now like you used to speak in 2016?
Make us be
No, maybe. Make a record on corruption.
You baby chibi. Been court. According to venture capital for one could court in Pacho.
Yeah, but these are people who served in the former administration.
How about John Mahama administration?
Yes, John Mahama.
And then John Mahama administration.
Yes.
Eba scandal, John Mahama administration. And on in your Bobudi Olandi. And I'm sure the president or Tia Bame. Or the vice president, you're charged for corruption. Or no number, Matabi do the kind. FM. No Sakoya president, Kanizo is our buy. No Koya ex-president, Eba Sanders our buy. Bingu big that. Your president, what you go and say, I'm a foreign journalist, Basabi. You Busan say, are you corrupt? Have you ever been corrupt? Such cheeky, useless questions. Over the Busan, the prime minister. That is the lowest our presidency took us. That is the lowest our presidency took us. That is the lowest your mama sank Ghana's presidency. So foreign journalists be what you be that? Have a journey, Mr. President. Are you corrupt? Have you ever? God, blind me. I can so sorry, I don't work for you.
But if
what did the president Bill Sky or say I am not corruptible? What did the Naku for the Kaino or say I cannot be corrupted? What you can be that? A giant inside the sobriety crime.
And America say, can you?
That's how the decision at the Sakahua incompetence Kahua a recipe for disaster.
4 years in power, honorable. Can you still defend the incorruptibility of the entire?
One age, who are the two front runners for this election?
John Mahama and Nana Danko Akufo.
Both of them have a track record.
Yes.
Ghanaians have the unique opportunity to examine both track records. Ghana for didn't see that. So be already 4 years.
Elsa Abebu.
Now will be ready 4 years. At the Ghana for between the only not to Senium. I'm here who the about 4 years the other year. And yes, you're the year. Yeah, really, papa. Abai papa. The OJ papa. The OJ here for the Bubua for home. Near to Abamano. But so 4 years, what the bushfire da? 4 years, what the bushfire da?
Bushfire, saying.
President Mama, time bushfire they jatwa assassin is so dry. And then Christmas, December nebe is you talk and no by ebu. Yami shall be bio, who shall assassin also. It's a koi last election there that's here. You said the battle is the Lord. You buy you feeder. The battle is still the Lord. You better number one. The battle is still the Lord's. You mean kawa ye kwa. A kaskan kwa dia kedi be fall racy. If I to trust somebody control park be fall racy.
A kasika and opposition party mo be fall
I don't miss country.
How is that possible?
Ah, basta. We do the twice. Now what you try manifesto. What is some numbers about like teacher license exams?
Teacher license
and then national service.
And a national service.
As some manifesto one kasa.
How?
It you do no oko refer na. Se we have mistake like to abama so we try teacher license wa. Obebu or the manifesto na lecture meboa. As about the first to page 65 they can say tie the okan but the first to page 69. We are nam jamo akai. Or said the automatic posting of teachers without national service and license exams will be reversed.
The automatic posting of teachers
without
national
service and
national service. Okay, without national service and license
exams will be reversed.
The automatic.
Second paragraph, square. What's up, Kawayama?
Okay, that's let me see.
NDC manifesto.
Okay, providing globally competitive and quality education. That's 7.2, 68. Oko page 69.
Second paragraph.
Yeah, second paragraph. Or say the automatic posting of teachers without national service and licensure exams will be reversed.
Okay.
Under the John Mahama administration in 2021.
And of course, was it 1 year pay?
Okay, the way it means they would reverse the automatic posting of teachers without. Okay, honorable name to confirm. I mean, so me manifesto online. Now, if it's the same.
NDC, oh, the King James version, what is that? Oh, the King James version, new international version. Manifesto.
Okay, in the Equasi saying, Honorable Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe and
manifesto down here.
And me person me confirm.
Page 69. Paragraph 2.
Clear. No be a me.
Hey, what can dream about 419?
Let me see.
Upper East Regional Capital, any Bolga.
Upper East, Bolga, yes.
6 March, we only the match, then this is for Kai.
6th March.
6 March this year.
Omo kan den.
Free SHS 419. On the told you, but I had a boy at the end. And then there was all the free SHS. Hey,
we'll come to those issues. But me pet manifesto. But while I open, maybe ABA. While I open, no.
Only Wi-Fi.
Me Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi across secondary schools, they teacher training colleges. And all districts.
Juma
free. Wi-Fi. Secondary schools, district education office, regional education office, education headquarters, Ministry of Education, agencies, offices, teacher training colleges, free Wi-Fi Juma.
But while I look at when I feel na ABA, I mean Musa, yes, yeah, what can send me bring about Esmentia South Safe. No ABA. I'll read it.
And the Wi-Fi is slow.
Very. It was somebody buying the
Joy FM.
No, I think you click this one, yeah.
Asempa FM. Yeah.
ABA
so manifesto. Obviously, we're doing a King James version. We're Parliament. Say no more version of that Ghana for. What you do? NDC 419.
Let me see if.
NDC.
That same page. Page 69. Paragraph 2. Now, you're clear. Not just will be antenna. Everybody will be clear in his or her.
One can be here for who?
Oh, no, sir. Okay. Someone. Let me see. We need to do this. Aha. Asempa F. Okay.
Really? Not gonna for you, auntie.
Yeah.
So, who was over first one?
Oh no, mean to me.
Aha. Really.
No any.
Really.
And that's for page 68. So on page 69 now. At the tertiary level, the NDC government will reverse. To be fair, will reverse the current effort at undermining academic freedom and the autonomy of our reputable public universities. The Public Universities Bill will be discontinued if not passed by January 7, 2021. It will be repealed if passed by then. Student welfare will be prioritized because the NDC believes education is a right, not a privilege.
On the utility or university, 2030, on the strategy, first government ever, a utility bill on students or John Mahama's government. Also, welfare.
In the paragraph 2, then they say the automatic posting of teachers without national service and licensure exams will be reversed under the John Mahama administration in 2021.
And look at 1 year, one cassette for the 4 years. Or so 1 year, 2021. Just say.
Okay, until I just say, they change you when you without.
If your brother can get the okay, so which license was could redeem on the first two. The automatic posting without will be reversed. So say that means posted, you have to have what?
Yeah, you should have national service and the license. Yeah,
okay.
At least per the wedding of.
You per the wedding. I don't want to bro. No, because no. So the debating or economics or debating about me on literature. I don't the proofreading manifesto.
No, but I'm saying the.
Those who say
what is in the manifesto?
And no. Your mama and them, you say, baby, he recruited teachers. He license. You have to about the first two. And I know that.
No, maybe you better call in Semne see saying high Asempa FM.
Dr.
Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh is our guest on the show. After this short break, we get into the real educational issues. Stay with us.
My dear, yes,